Hello. This video will introduce you to basic navigation within WellSTAR. When you first navigate to WellSTAR, you will land on this page where you can see a data disclosure. Once you have read and agreed to the data disclosure, click the checkbox to indicate this. Next, click Accept. Once within WellSTAR, the home page displays text describing types of data and maps available within WellSTAR. It also includes several hyperlinks. Use the File Request link to access data which predates WellSTAR. For user guides and other information which can help you navigate WellSTAR, use the conservation.ca.gov/calgem link available here. For other inquiries, email us at wellstar@conservation.ca.gov. The link at the bottom of the page will return you to the CalGEM website. Links to data hosted within WellSTAR are visible at the top of the screen. On the far left is an icon showing a house. Clicking this house symbol will return you to this page from anywhere within WellSTAR. To the right of the house symbol is the Explore Data link. This provides links to several different types of data. These are documents, facilities, operator total liability, underground gas storage, underground injection control, wells, well maintenance, and well stimulation. To the right of Explore Data is the Tools link. Clicking this provides access to bulk data downloads. To the right of the Tools link is a link titled Maps. Clicking this provides access to WellFinder, a GIS-based mapping application. There are two additional ways to search WellSTAR for data, visible on the top right of your screen. The first is a search box in which a term can be entered, and to the left of the search box is a drop-down menu. Clicking the drop-down menu shows you which types of data you can search for. These include well API numbers, organization names, facility IDs, and several others. Once a selection has been made from the drop-down menu, a search term can be entered in the box to the right, and clicking Enter or using the mouse to click on the symbol of a magnifying glass will start the search. For more complex searches, click on Advanced Search instead. Advanced Search gives you the ability to combine multiple search terms and to perform more complex searches than is possible with just a single text box.